You've planted your tomatoes, you're watering them, but they just look sad, weak, yellow, and no fruit. What if I told you it's because of a few hidden mistakes that can ruin your entire harvest? Today, we're fixing all 7. And stick around for mistake number 7. It's the one almost nobody talks about. Mistake number 1, planting too early. First up, planting too early. Tomatoes are warm weather crops. If nighttime temperatures dip below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the cold will shock and stunt their growth. The fix is simple. Be patient. Wait until all danger of frost has passed and nights stay consistently warm. Mistake number 2, improper watering. Next, improper watering. Inconsistent watering causes cracked fruit and blossom end rot. Instead of frequent, shallow watering, water deeply at the base of the plant. Then let the soil dry out a bit before watering again. And always water the soil, not the leaves, to prevent disease. Mistake number 3 is using bad soil. Tomatoes are hungry plants. They need nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Before you plant, amend your soil with plenty of organic matter like compost, and never use garden soil in a container. It will compact and suffocate the roots. Mistake number 4, planting too shallow. You might not know this, but all those tiny hairs on a tomato stem can turn into roots. So when you plant, pinch off the lowest leaves and bury that stem deep. Planting deep encourages a massive root system, meaning a stronger plant and more tomatoes for you. Hey, if these tips are helping, hit that subscribe button for new garden videos every single week. Mistake number 5, forgetting support. That tiny seedling is going to get huge and heavy with fruit. If you don't give it support, branches will break and your tomatoes will rot on the ground. The key is to put your cage or stake in place on the same day you plant to avoid damaging the roots and branches later on. Mistake number 6, not pruning. Don't be afraid to prune. Pruning tells the plant to put its energy into making fruit, not a jungle of leaves. You need to remove the suckers, the little shoots that pop up between the main stem and a branch. Also, trim any lower leaves touching the soil to prevent disease. And mistake number 7, ignoring calcium. And here it is, the mistake that causes so much frustration, ignoring calcium. Ever seen a gross black spot on the bottom of a ripening tomato? That's blossom end rot, and it's a calcium deficiency. The secret is to plan ahead. When you plant, mix a source of calcium like crushed eggshells or bone meal into the soil. So there you have it, the 7 mistakes that might be sabotaging your harvest. Now you know how to avoid them and grow thriving tomato-producing machines. Have you made any of these mistakes? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Happy growing!